The task we're going to create will be very simple. We're going to open a YouTube video, and we're going to stay on that page for a certain number of time. So let me explain what I mean. Practically, we're going to create a task. This task will simply just make all these devices we created, which is the iPhone, the Android, the Windows, the Mac. The task will just make them to open up a YouTube video, and they will just keep watching that video for a certain number of time. Now, this number of time depends on how long the video is. If it's a 20 minutes video, we're not going to make them stay 20 minutes at the dots, so it doesn't get detected. Instead, if the video is say 20 minutes, we could make the bot to stay, let's say, 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So this means that this bot will open up that YouTube video, and they would all watch this video within 15 to 20 minutes. Every bot would randomly pick a time randomly. So we don't actually know what time they would pick, but randomly they would all pick up a time, and they would all stay on the page for a certain number of time. Let me show you how that works. So this is the software once again. I'm going to click on the menu, and I'll click on creator mode. At the episode 3, we had clicked on create bots, but on this episode 4, we're going to click on create task. Once we create a task, it will practically just ask us what page we want to open and how long we want to stay on that page. There are more things you could do, but since this is a free tutorial teaching you how to use the software, I will just focus on the basic things you can make a bot do, which is to open up a website or a web page and stay there for a specific number of time. Now, I will open up the YouTube channel again. This is my YouTube channel. Remember, I've been able to meet up to 1000 subscribers, but what I'm actually looking for at the moment is to meet up with the 4000 watch hours. So in order for me to do this, I want this bot to watch my videos for a long period of time. The more this bot watches my video, the more watch hour I would gain. So what videos should they watch? The answer is any video you choose. You can use this software to generate views to any YouTube video of your choice. But I would just want to focus on the top content. So if I click on analytics over here, you can see that it's showing me like the last 28 days that these are the top content. So this means in the last 1 month, these videos over here are the top videos. Now what I want to do is to get the link of these videos and put them into a task, and also state the amount of time I would want each bot to spend on those link. For instance, this video over here, I would click on it. So now I've clicked on this video. This video has 3000 views and has 194 watch hours. Now this is not important to us. This could be any video. What is important to us is to get the link of this video along with the amount of time we want this bot to spend on the video. So if I click on here where it says view on YouTube, it's going to open up a new tab for me. Now this is the link to this video. If I copy this link, I will just head back to the software and put it on where it says URL. So Ctrl V to paste. Now the second section, how long would I want this particular video to be watched? There is no fixed time. You cannot say 2 minutes at the dots, you cannot say 3 minutes at the dots. If you do that, it will get detected and anything you do will be cancelled. You might even get your account banned. To be on the safe side, you have to make sure you do it within a range of time. For instance, this video is 34 minutes. By 34 minutes, this simply means that this video is as long as 34 minutes. If I want my bot to watch these videos, I don't want them to watch the video 34 minutes at the dot. I would want them to watch it, let's say, within 20 minutes to 30 minutes. This way, they don't all get to finish the video, but they would all watch the video for a long number of time. Now, the time the software calculates is in seconds. So if you look over here, you're going to see where it says in seconds. So this means that if I would have to set the bot to watch this video for 34 minutes, I have to do some conversion. I'm going to press my calculator, so it pops up. 60 seconds makes a minute. If I want to watch for 20 minutes, I would have to do 60 times 20. This gives us 1200. So I'll put the minimum time to be 1200. Now, the video is 34 minutes long. So I would want to watch from 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So each bot that comes up to this YouTube video, they would randomly pick a time within 20 minutes to 30 minutes randomly. This could be 25, 26, 27, 28. This could even be 30. So randomly, each of them would pick how long they would want to stay on the video. The wider the range, the more it is harder to detect. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I would even make it to be 32 minutes. So 60 seconds make 1 minute. So 60 times 32, this would give us 1920. So I'm going to put in 1920 over here. What this simply means is that this particular video would be watched within 120 or within 1200 seconds to 1920 seconds. Over here is where it says task name. Now, this task name is basically what you would want to name this particular thing you want the bot to do. The best thing I can tell you to do is to name it something you'll be able to understand, something you'll be able to use to identify the video. Now, as of this moment, you're not doing something complex. So, because we're just trying to get watch hours, I would call this video 1. But if you wanted to be able to generate YouTube comments, YouTube subscribers, or many other things, you would need to call this task a name you can recall. At the moment, it is not important, so just call this video 1. After calling this video 1, click on where it says add to executable. Now, it has added that particular task, which is an instruction for any bot that receives this instruction to open this page, which is that YouTube video, and stay within 1200 to 1920 on the page. In other words, this is simply just saying whether an iPhone, whether an Android, whatever device that happens to be executing this, they should just open up the video and they should stay on the video for at least 1200 to 1920. Now remember when I said if you're driving this, you should not do it for one video. So I'm going to open up another video, and this time around I will look for the second video that is performing well. So if I click on analytics again, I've been able to copy the link to this first video. Let's copy the link to the second video that has been performing very well. I'm going to click on this video. Now I've clicked on the video. You can see when I put my mouse over here, it's saying view on YouTube. So I'll click on it again. Now, this is the link to this particular video you can see over here. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to copy this link. So I will head back to the software again. Now I will just paste the link to that video we just copied. So this is the second video. Now the next question, how many seconds are we going to be watching, or how many minutes rather are we going to be watching this video? Now the amount of time to watch this video depends on how long the video is. So I will skip this advertisement so I can see how long it is. This video is currently 16 minutes 50 seconds. So this is a 16 minutes 50 seconds video. Now I'm going to take this away and I'll put on my calculator again. Since the software calculates in seconds, I would generate a time within 10 minutes to 16 minutes. So 1 minute is 60 seconds times 10. This should be 600 seconds. So I'm going to put in 600 seconds over here, and it's going to be from 10 minutes to 16 minutes. So the second calculation should be for 16 minutes. This is giving us 960. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put 960. Now, where it says task name, I'll just give this a name of video 2, and I'll click add to executable list. Now you can see that we have created two tasks. The first task said open that YouTube channel, or sorry, YouTube video, which is the video over here, and watch that video for 1200 to 1920 seconds. The second task said open this video, which is this one we just copied, and watch that video for within the time of 600 to 960 seconds. Now remember when I said we're going to be driving traffic to our top 3 video. So far we've been able to do just 2 videos. So let's do one more video. I'm going to go back to my analytics page, and I'm going to scroll down to the third video over here. I will click on this third video. Now I will click on where it says view on YouTube again, and I would copy this link. Now all I have to do is to paste the link once again and put in the amount of time I would want to watch this video. So lucky enough, I just discovered right now that it's already here, which is 2 minutes 19 seconds. But I don't like this video because it's quite short. The aim of doing this is to get as many watch hours as possible. So I'm going to look for a video that I think would be longer. How about we drive to this video? This video right here could be a potential video. So I'm going to click on this. So this video right now has up to 12 minutes. So I'm going to click on the video. You can see it's up to 12 minutes. Remember that the major reason we're doing this is to get watch hours. We want to get monetized on YouTube. So in order for us to get monetized on YouTube, we need to be able to generate watch hours. For us to generate watch hours, we need to be able to upload longer videos or make these bots to watch longer videos. So this particular video with up to 12 minutes looks very ideal to me. So I'm going to copy the link and I'll go back to the software. Now initially I had put in a link here. I'll delete that link and I will paste this other link I just copied. So once again, Ctrl V, and I now have it pasted. This video is currently 12 minutes long. I would want to watch this video within 8 minutes to 12 minutes. So I'm going to do 60 times 8, which would give us 480. So I'm going to come back to the software where it says minimum seconds. I will put in 480. Next, I want to watch, like I said, within 8 minutes to 12 minutes. So I've done 60 times 8, which was 480. Now it's now time to do 60 times 12, which would be 720. So I'm going to put in 720 over here. Now the task name, I will just call this video 3, and once again I will click add to executable list. So right now you can see I currently have 3 tasks. The first task is simple. It says open this YouTube video, watch for within 1200 to 1920 seconds. We called it video 1. You can see the name of the task. Now the second task said open this video, watch for 600 to 960 seconds. We gave it a task name called video 2, and the last one we just added, we said it should watch the video within 480 to 720 seconds. Now we have created all these tasks. All we need to do is to click on save, and give it a name. I'm going to give it a name called monetization. Now, you could give it any name of your choice. When you watch more videos on OKekBot, you will learn how to drive traffic to your websites and make money from ADX, AdSense, or whatever ads platform. It gets complicated, but for this tutorial, which is how to get a YouTube account monetized, we'll just give it a simple name of monetization. I'm going to click on, or let's call it monetization, or let's call it monetize task. Let's call this monetize task. So I've given it a name called monetize task, and I'll click on save. Now this has saved our activity. So this simply means everything we programmed right now for these bots to open up the websites and to stay there for a particular number of seconds have all been programmed. To see what we programmed, we can click on where it says load executable list. You can see right now that when we click on load executable list, it showed us the name of the task we have created. Now, let's go execute this task and start driving watch hours to our YouTube channel. See you at episode 5, where we will be launching this task using the help of a VPN to drive traffic from different locations to our YouTube channel. See you at episode 5.